Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to Jewelry Making Fun collaboration hosted by Dahlia Designs Jewelry More here on YouTube. Everyone is participating will be in description box below. Okay, I know y'all are worried, aren't you? You're like, what is she about to do? Don't worry, we're gonna have a conversation and then I'll show you what I made. So for this year, Deb has done a little bit different. She's given us colors to go by, like a color palette, which is great because sometimes the colors don't match up the way you think they do in your head. And so blue isn't always blue, and green isn't always green, and red isn't always red, I guess. So anyway, I want to talk about that real quick. The first for January, we were to use the colors lilac gray, mint gray, blue gray, steel blue, charcoal, and then we had other options. I won't get into those other options because I didn't do them. So yeah. Um, the one thing I did like is that she said make a wintry piece, and I was going to make some earrings with snowflakes dangling from the bottom. I didn't have any snowflakes to dangle from the bottom, so I chose to do something else. I was going to do I went out, not today, but to the craft store and I bought these because these were cute. This is cute, very cute. And this color is a part of the color that we had to pick from. So I printed out the color. Let's make sure nothing is revealed. And these are the colors. So this is lilac gray, mint gray, blue gray, steel blue, and charcoal. This is light purple, right? Light blue and blues and grays. But I am under the impression that she wants us to match these colors almost exact, right? And it's a little bit lighter on camera than it is IRL. But this is gray. This isn't the charcoal that I'm accustomed to using. So anyway, what I did is I used this color because it matches perfectly. And then I used this color. Ah, let's put this down. So I used this color, and this color to make something. Okay, so they all went together. We only have to use two, but I wanted to make sure that I at least got some of those colors in. My only issue is me. I was in my head like, is this the right color? Does this look right? And I didn't have anyone to talk to because I really wanted to incorporate this because I think this picture of these flowers really spoke to me. So this color goes here, I believe, or either here, one of those two. Anyway, let me show you what I made. I made a memory wire bracelet. It's not normally this small, but I just was kind of having a rough day today. So this is it. This is it. I enjoyed the process after I finished it because it looks pretty decent in my opinion. These are colors that I like, so that makes me happy. And they're butterflies, which I associated those flowers to the butterflies. I know that wasn't part of the prompt, but yeah, and they're really pretty. So all the beads I got from Hobby Lobby, I think, and these I got from online. So this is my video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. My creation for January 2025. Cannot believe I'm saying January 2025. Everyone that's participating will be in the description box. Please click on it and see what they have made. I wonder if anyone else had any type of lilac gray, because my thing is mint gray is green, right? It's not gray. Mint is green. So is it green gray? I don't know. Anyway, I enjoyed it. I'm glad that she gave us a color palette to go by because it makes it easier to put the colors down and match them versus me trying to figure out what is this color. Now I just need to get into the gemstone piece. I'm not there yet, but I will be. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good rest of your day, and until next time, happy crafting.